Welcome to Got Keys Studios YouTube channel. This is a show called 345 where I break down and show you studio related things in under 4 minutes. Let's go. Wow, so it wasn't a big box. Oh wow, this box is like, it's wider than the original L8, but it's shorter. Of course, Zoom, we're for creators. Boom. Oh snap. Wow, this is cute. This is very cute. Wow, that's beautiful. That there is beautiful. It has phantom power on each additional channel now. Before you had to press the phantom power and it went through all 6 XLR inputs. It's no combo jack, it's just straight XLR. Unless I need to. This is a USB switch, and now it shares USB with one channel, which is good. It doesn't have to share USB with all 3. Before it was all these 3 in one. Wow, this is beautiful. Let me just take time looking at it. Wow, these knobs are sturdy too. They're not loose. So it's USB-C now. No more USB input. You can use this or this, but it has a power input, which is great. It has an on-off button, which is great. Kensington lock, full SD card slot. Takes batteries, AA batteries, of course. Should have had some ready, so that way we could just use it or turn it on, power it on right now. Let's compare it up next to this. Oh wow! See, the L8 was the same height as the L12, so you could just put them next to each other. But yeah, this definitely takes up less space on the table. Let's fill out the pads. Oh, that feels nice. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun. The Bluetooth adapter, I'll probably get. I have a Bluetooth adapter. Wow. Yeah, they're definitely more sturdier. These slide up real easy. It can also be used as an audio interface. Limited EQ, limited compression, but yes, it does have it. Supposedly it remembers scenes. I guess I'll have to power it on to see that. 4 banks of sound pads, because before it was only 6. The 6 that you started your podcast with was the 6 that you ended your podcast with. It doesn't have talkback. That's why I don't get rid of my L12, because this has talkback. I don't need a microphone on my table. I can talk to the person that's in the booth just from this board right here, just from hitting talkback. I do have a question though. Can you send each person their own mix to their headphones? That's because the L8 could do that. But I don't know. Can you send each person their own mix? Like if they don't want to hear this person, or if they don't want to hear the music, can you turn the music down? Can you yeah, that's all. I'll just test it out and see. Alright, that's my video. Thank you.